ജിറാഫിനെ ഉണ്ട് ജിറാഫിന്
స్టార్టింగ్ మనం ఇప్పుడు చెప్తానండి మొబైల్ అసెస్మెంట్ చేసుకోండి అక్కడేమో ఉండదు దాని పేరు పెట్టలేక ఆస్ట్రిచ్ మనం పోయింది ఆడ ఉండే ఇది ఇది ఫోటో తీస్తాను
తీసుకొస్తేగా कहाँ जाते हैं
ये बात देखिए बाघ देखिए देखेंगे ना ठीक है देखेंगे
जो है
तुझं नाव म्हण
ಕಾಯಾಗಿ ಮುಣಿಕಿದ್ದು இது எப்படி படுத்துருக்கு பாரு छोटे ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡು ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡು ಕರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಮಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತದ ಕಿಟಿ ವಾಜ್ಲೆ ಬೇಡ ಬೂತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಊರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಯೋ ಬಾಬಿ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದೇ ಅದಿತ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್
అది మంచి పని రా ఒకటే ఉంది
बोटिंग बोटिंग
बाबा
आज आपण नक्की एडिट करू तुझ्या पहिलीचा फोटो
समोर जाऊन फेमस समोर जाऊन फेमस झालं हे झालं
Kota mana yang kita mau apa?
예뻐.
please. नहीं
अयो पापा ने
ये फोन Good girl. ఇప్పుడు వీడియో తీయలే మనం
What is this?
Sir, any idea?
Huh?
Any idea what this might be?
No,
Take
this
a
is
guess. This one.
a medicine or what?
No.
This is elephant food.
Okay. This one?
Tiger.
This one?
Don't know.
So this is elephant's food.
Oh,
Can you guess which animal this might be? Is there any difference?
yeah.
What is the difference?
Male, female.
No. One main difference.
Size.
No.
This is circular.
Okay, that like other than
Nails.
that, correct. So yeah, nails. So all cat families, they don't have nails outside always. But you see dog family animals, they have nails always outside. So can you guess which cat this might be? Which cat? You all seen leopard. So this is a footprint of a leopard. This is footprint of a wild dog. So all the cat families, for example, leopard, tiger, lion, when you see the footprints, there won't be nail marks. But all dogs you see. So why this is? So meaning when you go to any forest areas, so you don't directly see animals. So you see it through their footprints or some scent marks. So August 12th was Elephant Day. So Tuesday, so we're celebrating it today since Tuesday was park closed. So what do you think about elephants? Whenever you hear the name elephants.
Size.
Size, okay. Other than size.
Strong.
Strong. So do elephants eat non-veg?
No, it's all vegetarian.
It's a herbivore, so it's a mega herbivore. So in this biological park, we have 26 elephants, Asiatic elephants. So how do you differentiate between Asian and African?
Her
Everything is here. You can
ears.
Teeth.
Can you see
No
teeth?
teeth. Ears.
Yeah, right, very good. One is here. The other thing? Hello.
Color.
Okay. No, these are elephants. When they take bath, they also look the same. It's just because they put some mud on their body. So you can see there is two domes. Here they have single dome. So that is one major thing. And one more thing is here both male and females have tusks. But here only males have tusks, females don't. So even in the zoo we have Ahilia, Omganga and Sudha. So we have 3 female and 1 male. So what do we feed them? So what do elephants eat? Generally they eat greeneries. So in the zoo in the morning time we give them ragi ball. So per day, per time around 10 kg of ragi ball. So one ragi ball weighs around 10 kg. So we give them in the morning time. In around 4:35 we give them sweet pongal. Yeah, it won't be very sweet as what we eat. It's jaggery and dry coconut. That's it. And in between that, they need around 150 to 300 kg of green grass. So you see what grass is there? We give them this. And what is this? It's a dung of an
It's a
elephant.
dung,
So what do you see here? What all can you see? Is it digested or not digested?
It's semi-digested.
Semi-digested, correct. So we digest 100% what we eat, but elephants can digest only half, 50%. So the rest come as it is. So why it's important? You see all the trees over here. So it's either planted by elephants, monkeys, or bears. So you see all the fiber particles, and you can also see seeds.
Okay.
So this is horse gram which we give them. So this is half digested. So when elephant goes outside and poops, a new plant comes from this. And this is food for many birds, peacock, jungle fowls. So people think our elephants will be in the zoo always throughout their lifetime. So it's wrong. Once the park closes, they are very close to national park. So once park closes, we leave them to the forest. We have 26 elephants. So all 26 will go to forest
Daily.
daily, every day, and they come back next morning.
Okay.
So how do they come back? So they have very special bond with the Mahouts.
Okay.
So all the Mahouts are from Jaino Kuruba tribe. So they have very immense knowledge of this elephant taking. So from them they come back. And when they come back, our Mahouts give them sweet, like jaggery.
Okay.
So in the next morning when they see the Mahouts, they come back. They run from the forest thinking they get the jaggery again. So sometimes what they do, they get their wild friends also. In the national park we have wild elephants also. So sometimes they do get them because here they get good foods. So why do we leave them to the forest? So elephants are very big. They can't be in the same place. So we are lucky because we have national park very adjacent. And they mingle with the wild elephants. And they feed on wild vegetation. So they feed on bamboos, everything. So they will be diversified. So initially we had 30 elephants. So if you have heard the news, we on an animal exchange program, we sent 4 elephants to Japan.
Yeah.
So people think we should not send. So one thing we should understand, it's a diversification. So when we do animal exchange, we get other animals. So so diversified. So the animals might be healthy also. So we can prevent inbreeding. So this is one way why we do animal exchange program.
Okay.
So in here, this is the family tree of our elephants, zoo elephants. So you can see the oldest elephant. Can you guess her age? She is 90 years old. So when you go to the safari area, you can see her also.
Okay.
So one speciality of this is in elephants, the females. So they lead the herd. So it's called matriarch. So they lead the herd. So at present we have Lily. So her name is Lily.
Herd and see. அதுக்கப்புறம் லிப்போர்டு லயன் ஜங்கிள் கேட்டு No one is there.
ले बेटा कालू भागीदा आई वो आई भागीदा इधर आ जा तोर बुआ आई थी देखबे आई तो बाबा आवरी बुढ़ा होती बार देखाड़ा आउ तो बार ना बा
അതാ വേറെ വരുന്നടാ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം നോടിരുന്നല്ലോ ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ പോയിരുന്നേ കുറച്ചുകൂടെ നല്ല ബ്യൂട്ടി ആണടാ അവിടെ പോയി അപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് അവന്മാര് പോകും
நான் எடுக்கிறேன் நீ பாரு
One bathroom goes around. You want to know?
यार इकडे यार पेन्सिल
Singam mama.
भूख से कर रहा है पता है He's feeling hungry थक गया
चलो चलो मत आ जाओ देखा समोर आलं बोला ढोंगर नको दाखवू हो
चंद्रियांगी वाले के
black and white, right? But that one
देखो इधर भी है पीकॉक हाँ इधर है इधर नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट देखो ब्लू ब्लू पीकॉक इधर हाँ हाँ ये रहा ये नीचे ये रहा पूरा उल्टा है पीकॉक हो गया
नहीं
चलो नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट वो देना आपसे फुल मिल जाए ఎలాగంటే ఉంది ఎంత ఉంది
पक्षी